Well, all right. We have made it down to the car show. Gina, how many people are down here?
A gazillion.
A gazillion.
I don't know.
3,300 cars this weekend. 3,300 cars. 3,300. So we're down here at Run to the Sun. And Michael Raines, I appreciate it. We are keeping it frosty.
This way.
We are keeping it frosty.
Yeah, come around this way. There you go.
We are keeping it frosty. Back here behind me here. She's keeping it frosty. She's got her green shirt.
Luck of the Irish
yeah,
on.
she got her Luck of the Irish on. Yeah, that's right. But yeah, Michael Raines, we are keeping it frosty down here today at Run to the Sun. I'm gonna start using that. I hope you don't mind. But yeah, wow, there's a lot of cars here.
I like that station wagon.
So we're going to I actually put the small or bigger lens on, so Gina's not in it. What do you think, huh?
Whatever you want.
All right, so we're going to start looking at some cars here. I brought the Insta360 down to get some aerial shots, just to show you how many people are here. This thing is huge, so let's look at some antique vehicles. This right here is a Corvette. Corvette. Look at that, honey. What do you think?
That thing is unique.
That is very unique. It's a 1957 stretched out Corvette, handmade. It's not a kit. That thing is really cool. Love this molding on the side of it. The interior color, I could done something different with that, but yeah, this thing is really cool. Wow. 57. Well, like I said, you ain't got to go very far to get a new vehicle here.
A new old vehicle.
A new old vehicle, yeah, but these are some beautiful, beautiful antique cars and trucks in here. I love this American Indian here on the back side of this one. Yeah, look at that. Wow. Like that interior a lot better than that Corvette.
Nalani would like that truck.
Yeah,
And there's some red ones over here in station wagon.
All right, so I saw this one right here. Just we was coming out of there after I had that real high. We're just going to start here. We were going to go all the way to the very end and work our way back down to the entrance, but I just couldn't. I couldn't stay out of these rows here to see these cars. Here's 3 vets here in a row. Then we get some trucks up here. Oh, look at that. 1926. That's cool. All right, so this 68 Chevrolet has been sold for $50,000. Wow. Yeah, these 3,300 vehicles down here. It's just crazy to think that there's that many vehicles down here for this. This is a lot bigger than it was last year. Oh, and make sure that you understand that when you come down, you get your military discount. So we got a weekend pass for the whole weekend for $10 a piece.
You just gotta have something showing.
You just gotta have your ID showing that you're a military, prior military. So we both, Gina was in the Navy and I was in the Marine Corps, so.
We're veterans.
Uh-oh, what do I see there? Is that a Corvair? Is that a Corvair? Wonder where Retro's at. Retro Myrtle Beach has got to be here, beaching with the Boons. I'm looking for you. Got my eye out for you. It's a 64. All right, Retro. I know you're here. We'll have to find you. All right, I gotta get it for my thumbnail.
But I don't have any bib overalls.
Oh, that's pretty. That's pretty.
Yep.
I like that truck.
Yeah, it says antique on it. That would be
Antique.
pointing to the car to me.
What is that?
It looks like another
Almost
mashup.
another- Wow, some beautiful vehicles. This is probably my favorite weekend of the year here. There's so many people here. Last year I didn't make it in until Sunday, until right before they closed it down. Actually, I was so busy with the golf course. Couldn't make it down here. It was crazy.
We're coming early this year.
Yeah, so this is Thursday, or Friday, I'm sorry. Now, these are some beautiful cars here. Model 8 Ford here. God, I wish I'd brought the other lens.
Well, we got the weekend pass.
Yeah,
Come early tomorrow.
yeah. Let's see what it's doing tomorrow as far as the rain.
Look at the custom upholstery in that one.
Actually, I'm gonna put this up, switch over to the Insta360. So I've switched cameras here. I'm gonna use the Insta360 here, just handheld it. Wow, 68 Barracuda.
My brother would like the Barracuda.
It is a pretty vehicle. I like that. You get that wider angle here with this right now. Quite a few Chevelles here. Nova SS convertible. This is a pretty car here. I like that. Now look at this Chevelle right here. This thing is beautiful. Look at this. It's a 1967 from West Virginia. That
I like
interior.
that beautiful interior.
Wow. Oh, you got individual cup holders in it. That is so cool.
And in the dirty area.
And it's Rodney who's the builder.
Rodney's the builder?
Yeah, Rodney and Donna.
I got some Kansas coming at you.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Go very well.
Check out that interior. I don't know if you can see it or not. Wait, I gotta switch the other lens here.
Ooh. Wind strong.
Nice deal.
Thing is just bad. You got this one here's a beautiful one too. Gosh almighty. Got the 396 in it. I just don't know if I even want to walk around anymore after looking at those three vehicles.
There's plenty to see though.
Yeah, there are. I mean, there is just so
As soon as
many
you think you
cars.
see one that's the best, you find another one you
Yeah.
like as well.
So many beautiful cars in here.
And the workmanship that goes into them.
Wow, oh my gosh. Look at this. It is beautiful.
Another 67.
That is beautiful.
67 was a good year.
Yeah, it was. It was a good year. It was a good year, huh? Yeah. 67 was a good year. Now that's my speed right here.
Yeah.
That'd be what I could be in.
You and
All right.
Chubbs.
Me and Chubb's right around in that one. All right, so now I got this straightened out. I'm in the front mode here now. I was still yet in 360 there.
I like
This
that
camera.
unfinished business.
These cars are just so beautiful. I like this mode a lot better here. Wow.
Yellow, 1967 Mustang. And I thought 66 Mustang. And it's close enough.
It's just so hard to pick out a car to go look at. There's just so many beautiful cars here.
All been in fun. We got a special award, special presentation here. We would like to give you, and your name is Gary, and he is from the Statesville area too. So, it is, here we go. Gary, you guys are going to get some awards for you. Here we go.
Oh, that's a tiny peach color.
Yeah, it is.
The special award, now turn it around, because we're going to read it. Special award says, I'm sorry, I want you to blank. Sure. All right, I'm sorry I called you a donkey dog. I thought you knew. There you go. One of our special presentations, fun things that we do. How cool is that? That's good. Here you go. Our good buddy, all of us with great sense of humor from Statesville, North Carolina. Up that area, you know, from Statesville.
There's the DeLorean, Back to the Future.
Where's Michael at?
Going Back to the Future.
Gotta be here somewhere.
Barry Barker and the Barker family, all from up around Statesville area. So there you go, one of the fun things we do, when we're having a good time. Here today, Runs to the Sun, St. Patrick's Day, Friday edition. How about Chevy?
Gina saw a squirrel. She's over here. Love that color on that. It's a beautiful color. They drove it down. You can see the bugs on it.
Huh?
I said they drove it down. You can see the bugs on
Well,
it.
it's from New Smyrna Beach, Florida.
New Smyrna, or drove it up, huh? Oh, look at this station wagon.
There's your family truckster.
That is. '64 Impala. Now that's a '64. That's a good year too, honey.
Yeah, that is.
That's a
Family
very
truckster.
good. That's a very good year.
Wow, look at that. Wow. 1932 Packard. So that's a movie star car.
Now, what movie star would be driving around in that?
From the 1920s and 30s. That would be
I-
like
Humphrey Bogart,
possibly, or
Possibly.
Clark Gable.
Clark Gable. Okay.
Yep.
We'll just say Clark Gable drove that.
Yeah, it's from
Wow.
Hollywood, California.
Hollywood,
I
California.
told you.
That thing is
Yeah, Packards were like the rolls of the day.
a beautiful vehicle. Wow, it's beautiful. That is beautiful. Oh,
Pretty.
gosh.
hot rod. 22,000.
Gonna hurt your feelings. It's a pretty Corvette. This Corvette. Wow, it's pretty. That's a beautiful interior too. The red interior makes a vehicle. It really makes a vehicle. Oh, there's my Camaro. Oh my gosh. Drove one of these for about 10 years. Eat more possums, huh?
That's what you said.
All right, well here's more of my vehicle. Mine was candy apple red, but I had a split bumper.
I thought y'all was a little bit. Oh, sorry about that. I thought y'all was a little bit.
The 70. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful cars.
Beautiful.
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 Mm. I don't know if you can tell how hard the wind's blowing down here, but this wind is actually just wicked down here. There's stuff blowing all over the place right now. It's just wicked, wicked. The wind is wicked, ain't it, honey?
Yes, it is.
Very, very, blowing very hard.
It's not friendly.
I don't know how everybody's keeping their hats on. They got them all pulled down tight, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, you look back down towards the beach and it's nothing but dust. Dust blowing out of the field. And it's going to rain probably first thing in the morning. It probably won't have a good showing tomorrow morning. And it's supposed to pick up.
I remember those trucks, the Loves.
The Loves? I don't remember those. There's some pretty good. Well, I want to know something. Retro, where's your Corvair at?
Parked outside the gate.
Parked. Come on now. Come on.
Yeah, the 1 year I didn't bring my car.
Retro Myrtle Beach guy in the house.
Man, that's a beautiful Metro.
Yeah. Now, is that a...
You look good in that, man.
I would look good in that. My white shirts that I always wear
You can
would
wear it
look
with
real
everything.
good in it.
And you don't have to take the kid anywhere.
Yeah. Does I don't have to. You can't drive that.
Yeah, he's like, oh, sorry,
Nah.
there's only room for two. It's
I love your
Mom
van.
and Dad tonight.
I love your van.
Isn't she a beauty?
Oh man, alive! I watched the whole video. Your whole cleaning the thing up.
I can't wait to get her. Oh, the
All
inside,
done.
we're gonna get the lights and everything. It's already working, but I want to get it cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's gonna be really nice. Now is that an American? Is that American made?
Metros, I think so. You know, my friend actually has one of these.
I don't know if that's. I mean,
That's the phone number 1921, honey.
Oh, okay. Well, and
It
so
looks
it's
like
not
it's
that
from
old.
the 50s
From the 50s.
or early 60s. You can ask them. That's their car.
Is this an American car? American made?
It's Nash.
Nash.
Oh, okay. It's like the Rambler.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of an English.
Okay. Oh, okay.
It's a 57. It's 57.
57. Okay. I didn't think it looked like a 20 or 19.
I didn't either. I was like, where are you getting 1921?
Well, I got 1921 off
That's
the windshield.
phone number.
Like a wind-up
Dyslexic.
I am dyslexic, colorblind, and dyslexic.
I know I confused you down there.
But yeah, this is great.
Out here with big time.
Oh, hey, all right.
Any of this audio because it's so damn windy.
Well, he's keeping it frosty here today.
Oh my gosh.
I'll tell you this.
Invest in a wind mic or something.
Get up with me.
Every once in a while, I'm just.
Now there's the one I matched right there. That's the truck. that I was
Okay, we're
telling
getting
you.
ready to come up with the truck. Ooh, we're getting
Oh,
on.
who is calling now?
Well, it's always great to run into retro. So this is the truck that Gina was wanting me to look at here. This is a pretty truck. Wow, this is pretty.
See?
Now, I would look good. I would look good in that. Yeah, kind of match, don't you? I would look good in that also. Wow.
Sheila's 65. There's some more eclectic ones on that side too. A
Oh,
Woody.
I like that Woody there.
Yeah.
Look at that Woody. We're gonna have to switch
Got to see
sides.
the Woody. Whoops.
We got to
squirrel.
switch sides here. Squirrel. She squirreled
You
me.
gotta go around.
She
Don't
squirreled me.
wanna
We're
cut
gonna have
through.
to. We're gonna have to go all the way around here, but we're gonna get over and look at this Woody over here.
Yeah, 'cause
That's a pretty Corvette. That's a really pretty Corvette. This Mustang, wow. Gina's run off and left me again. Love that little car. The car is so cool.
There's a beach wagon over there in the corner.
All right, we'll go look at this one first. It's so easy to get distracted in here and
Especially
actually
if you're
head
easily distracted to begin
off,
with.
head off into another direction. Oh, yeah, that's a.
I told you.
Oh, wow, that's. I'm in love
Cool,
with this
huh?
one. I'm in love with this vehicle. Look at this thing. Oh, wow. Oh, look at the little baby. Hey, honey, look at the baby chair in it.
What?
Look at the little baby chair in it.
Aww. Little car
Oh,
carrier.
my God.
Baby
Mama and
carrier.
Papa needed one of them when we went all the way out to Las Vegas. I rode them.
Did you ride in one of those?
No, I
little
rode on
carriers?
I rode on Mama's lap
That's
the whole
what
way.
I thought you said.
But she would have paid good money for that one.
Yeah.
My mother said she put a pillow down on the passenger side floor and put me down there when I was a baby.
Yeah. This is beautiful.
Yeah.
He was strong survive.
Exactly.
The lark, I don't know this one here. I'm gonna have to.
I was
This
telling
is
my
so-
kids about our playgrounds. They were
Studebaker.
asphalt like this with chain
Studebaker lark.
and metal slide that you burn your legs on.
Yep, oh man, they were hot.
Wow,
Didn't
it's a
have that
Studebaker
recycled
wagon
tire
ear.
mulch.
Chain link swing.
Yep.
That is
Put
so
your finger
cool.
in.
And the teeter totter.
Yeah,
Trying to
the
get you up
metal.
there, and then
It
they
is.
jump off. Boom! You come down.
So cool. Wow.
They were torture babies. Definite torture babies.
Love it. It's got that little pull out up there on it.
Cool car,
I've
huh?
never seen this before. Never. What's the history behind it?
Well, it's a 63. I mean, Studebaker Wagonaire was the first year they made these, and the last year that Studebaker had a full production in the U.S. halfway through 64. They moved to Hamilton, Ontario, and started putting Chevy drivetrains in. So it's kind of cool. It's the first day of the last.
And that was engineered like that. That's
Yeah.
original.
Yeah, that's
Wow.
an option. They made 11,000 of these in 1963. Most of them had the sliding roof on it, but some of them didn't in 63. They still called
little-
them Wagonaires, but some of them didn't have the sliding roof. There's
The
about 60 of these left according of the 63 models according to the online registry. And that includes, junkyards, trees going through them,
Yeah.
the whole bitch.
This is very unique.
That little child carrier, was that part of what came with the car, or you just found that?
Just because it was, of the era of the car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is so unique. Now it came like that. The glove box opened
Yeah,
up
that's
like
a
that.
vanity glove box. Yep, there was a 63 only thing too. So,
Wow.
Wow. So you could live out of that
Yeah, I
Studebaker.
mean that is so cool. That's a beautiful vehicle.
Thank you.
And you up in North Carolina?
yeah, Calabash.
Calabash. I never see you up there.
I'm up there.
Don't take it out on the road very often. But this is
Daytona.
yeah. All right. Okay.
It's a
Well, guys,
Daytona.
yeah, that's a very beautiful vehicle. Wow. Love this.
And the old-timey ice chest.
I just love that vehicle. Love how that back opens up. So
Yeah.
easy to get a surfboard in and out of it,
Yeah.
or just work out of it. I mean, you don't see that. You don't even think about seeing anything like that now. But there's a Woody down here. We're going to go down here and look at this Woody. Let me turn on and off here again to make sure I'm recording. So I'm recording. I just want to make sure. But that Studebaker was
Clouds.
beautiful, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Just loved that. It was just a beautiful vehicle. I've never seen one of those before. So this old Woody here.
Willie Jeep, 1959. Pretty neat.
You said it's a 59, honey?
Yeah, 59 Willie.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Things are so much simpler. You just
Yeah.
didn't have a bunch of
Before
electronics.
before the federal government got a hold of everything,
Yeah.
it was about
Regulations.
necessities. Now it's nothing but about regulations. They're gonna ruin everything. It's all about control, people. It's all about control. But yeah, this is a very beautiful vehicle. They put all this bells and whistles on everything right now. Just drive the cost of everything up.